Hey gang, for those of you that don't have Office apps installed on your computer, I wanted to make sure that you knew, if you go to the My LLCC tab, so you have an Office 365 account through Lincoln Land, which means free. You can access all the Office 365 apps. I believe you can actually install them on your machine free if you wanted to, but you can also work in the web-based environment. If you go to your student email, right, that just open that up, and I'm in OneDrive just so you don't see my emails, but this waffle menu up here, this will let you access all of the Microsoft apps. And so you can see there's Excel right there. So you can work in Excel in the web-based environment. And you can see I'm in a browser here, right? And just you can do all the work that I showed you in that in the tutorial video in here. And then you can save the file, and you'll save the file into your OneDrive, right? You have OneDrive space through Lincoln Land as well. So you would just save it in your OneDrive and it'll be here wherever you save it. And then you can share those, so you can either attach that file in the assignment, or let me show you how you can share a link too. So in your OneDrive, you could say, hey, I want to share this with somebody. So you can click that and you can do the share option and it'll send them an email, or you can copy the link and it'll just copy a link to that file. And since you're sharing it with me, I can access the file. So then I can go into the Blackboard assignment. So I go into my course units, Unit 1, Chapter 2. And so if you go to the actual assignment itself, if you open it up, you can attach a file. You could click the right submission, you get a text box, and I could paste the link in there. So I prefer you attach the file because I'll get an easier preview that way, but you can share the link this way, either way, and you can share your actual Excel file with me that way. Wanted to make sure you guys knew you could do that.